Imagine describing a movie scene with just a few words and watching it come to life instantly. No camera, no crew, just I. This is not the future, it is already here. Google's VEO3 is the latest leap in artificial intelligence video generation. It can create cinematic, high-resolution videos based entirely on text prompts. And it is already shaking the foundations of the film and content industry. From Hollywood directors to solo creators, everyone is watching closely. Because VEO3 is not just an upgrade, it is a revolution in storytelling. 1. What is Google VEO3? VEO3 is Google's most advanced AI video generation model released in 2025. It allows users to input a short text and receive a fully animated video in return. These videos are not simple clips. They are realistic, smooth, and often breathtaking. The system can handle camera movement, lighting, and scene composition with incredible accuracy. VEO3 builds on years of research from Google DeepMind and Imagen video models. It combines machine learning, natural language processing, and visual rendering at scale. The model supports resolutions up to 1080p and durations longer than ever before. This makes VEO3 the first AI tool to rival human-directed visual storytelling. From simple sketches to movie trailers, it can do it all, and it is just getting started. 2. How it works behind the scenes. VEO3 uses a deep learning technique called diffusion modeling to create videos. It starts with noise and slowly refines the image frame by frame until the video forms. It interprets natural language and translates it into visual motion, texture, and logic. It understands time, depth, object interactions, and even mood from the words you type. Multiple transformer models work together to track characters, environments, and camera angles. VEO3 is trained on massive video datasets from movies, YouTube, and animation libraries. Each scene is generated in layers, balancing motion continuity and visual realism. The AI adjusts facial expressions, lighting, and background based on narrative tone. It is more than editing, it is intelligent direction. And that is what makes it groundbreaking. 3. Real use cases already happening. Filmmakers are using VEO3 to prototype scenes before shooting. Content creators are generating full short films with no camera equipment at all. Educators are making animated explanations in minutes rather than weeks. Advertisers are building custom visual campaigns using brand-specific prompts. Musicians are crafting surreal music videos with one paragraph of lyrics. Storytellers are visualizing dream sequences and fantasy worlds with cinematic polish. Even newsrooms are experimenting with visual reconstructions of historical events. The accessibility of VEO3 is enabling creativity for people with zero production experience. All you need is an idea and a few lines of text. VEO3 handles the rest like a digital film studio in the cloud. 4. The cinematic power of VEO3. One of the most impressive features of VEO3 is its grasp of cinematography. The AI understands terms like dolly zoom, aerial shot, time-lapse, and lens flare. It can simulate handheld camera movement or smooth pans across landscapes. Shadows fall naturally based on imaginary light sources described in your prompt. Water, smoke, reflections all react in real time as if shot in the real world. Character movement is fluid, with gestures, walking, and running done seamlessly. VEO even adds scene transitions that resemble real movie editing. It does not just build images, it directs full scenes. This elevates AI-generated video from novelty to art form. And for directors, it is a game-changing tool. 5. A leap for creators, big and small. VEO3 removes the cost barrier from high-quality video production. No actors, sets, lights, or cameras are needed to bring visions to life. Independent creators now have Hollywood-level visual tools at their fingertips. Social media influencers are using VEO3 to post daily cinematic content. Animation studios can pitch entire ideas using rough AI drafts in minutes. Aspiring filmmakers are learning the art of directing through simple prompts. Content can be created faster, cheaper, and at higher visual quality than ever. The creative gap between big studios and solo creators is shrinking, and VEO3 is making that shift happen in real time. It is democratizing visual storytelling like never before. 6. Google's vision for the future. Google envisions VEO as more than just a tool. It is a new language of creativity. The company plans to integrate VEO with YouTube, Bard, and Pixel devices. Soon, users may be able to speak a story and watch it animate live. Google wants to make professional visual expression as easy as sending a text. This fits into a broader plan to blend generative AI into everyday content creation. Educational videos, documentaries, training clips, all may soon be AI-powered. Google also aims to make VEO open to collaborative editing in real time. VEO could become the default method for building video ideas across industries. Just like Google Docs changed writing, VEO may change filmmaking. It is the birth of a visual word processor. 7. Ethical questions and concerns. With such power comes responsibility, and VEO raises serious ethical concerns. What if users generate harmful, misleading, or deepfake content? How will copyright work if AI is trained on existing videos? Can creators protect their likeness or artistic styles from imitation? Google says VEO includes strong watermarking and content filters by default. The company is also working with regulators and artists to shape usage guidelines. Still, debates continue over ownership, authenticity, and creative credit. As AI video becomes more realistic, distinguishing fact from fiction may become harder. Transparency will be key as these tools reach wider public use. The future of AI video must be creative and responsible at the same time. 8. How VEO compares to other AI tools. VEO3 stands apart from tools like Runway, Pika, and Sora in several ways. It offers higher resolution, better motion tracking, and longer video duration. Its understanding of prompt language is more cinematic and emotionally aware. Where others produce short clips, VEO builds complete scenes with context and flow. Its multi-frame prediction model ensures smoother transitions and fewer glitches. VEO's style leans realistic, but it can also handle stylized animation and surrealism. It provides more granular control over scene elements than earlier models. Google's infrastructure also supports faster generation at scale. VEO is not just another AI tool, it is a new standard, and its competitors are now playing catch-up. 9. What this means for the film industry. VEO3 may change how films are written, pitched, and even produced. Studios can visualize entire scripts before investing in sets or locations. Directors can prototype alternate scenes to explore creative variations. Actors may find their digital likeness used in AI test cuts. Scriptwriters may become prompt designers, crafting narratives for machines to animate. Post-production could shift dramatically, with effects added at the prompt level. Budget constraints could ease, allowing more diverse voices into the filmmaking space. Small studios could rival major players in visual output and quality. This is not just a new tool, it is a new filmmaking paradigm, and the industry will have to adapt fast. 10. The beginning of a visual revolution. Google's VEO3 is more than impressive, it is historic. It takes storytelling from the hands of the few and gives it to the many. Visual creation is no longer limited by gear, location, or budget. Ideas move from thought to screen with almost no delay. We are witnessing the birth of an era where anyone can direct a film. And the only limit is the imagination behind the keyboard. Whether used for education, entertainment, or art, VEO3 opens a new frontier. AI is not just writing scripts anymore, it is filming them. And with every prompt, a new world appears. This is the future of visual storytelling, and it has already begun. VEO3 is not just a tool, it is a portal into what creativity can become. With one line of text, entire worlds can now be visualized, animated, and shared. From hobbyists to Hollywood, the playing field is rapidly changing, and Google is leading the charge with a model that redefines what is possible. If this future excites you, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI breakthroughs. Share this video with fellow creators, dreamers, and storytellers, because this is not just news, it is the start of a new visual era. And trust us, you will want to be part of it. The camera is now your keyboard. So go ahead, type your next masterpiece.